Happy Valentine's Day! Today is all about love. I want you to celebrate with your children, with your parents, with your friends, with your significant other. With your chicken wing. I want you to celebrate love in all of its capacities. I thought it would be a really cool way to show you how much I love you by gifting you a rose. So today, I wanted to try a new technique, the string pull method. Let's get started. Yeah! You're gonna start out with your paint, a canvas, and some string. If you don't know how to mix your paint, I made a video that I'll link right here. Now let's base our canvas. I'm using a chopstick to spread my paint today, so you could really use anything. Now once you're done with that, we're gonna get our paint. And I'm gonna put this string inside. Oh, I don't wanna get my finger dirty. Maybe I'll use a sturdy stick. There we go. That works better. All right, now let's try this out. I'm just putting the string on the canvas and pulling. I think I might need to be using two hands. Oh well, this is working. Now I'm gonna wipe it off because I got a lot of black paint on there. Let's redo this. This is a pretty cool process so far. I'm really liking it. And it's pretty simple. And again, let's wipe it off and put more paint on the string. Okay, this is awesome. It's starting to look like a flower. It's a little bit off. Let me try to center it. It looks like there's a lot of black paint pooling in the middle. I'm gonna try to make it fully red in the middle, or as much as possible. Okay, I'm not so sure I'm liking exactly where this is. I could probably stop here, but let me fix this real quick. And I think I'm going to put one more petal in the middle. Okay, let's just do one more. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at how this turned out. There's a lot of paint in the middle, so I'm really hoping it doesn't separate too much. I think this is perfect. So unfortunately, it did spread a little bit, but you know, I'm not mad at it. When I zoom out, it still looks like a rose, and now it just looks like a more open rose. Let me show you what it looks like after it's dried. You know what? I think it looks even better after it's dry. I absolutely love it. Once again, happy Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoyed and got value out of it. Hey, you should like this video and also click that little bell button to be notified of any future videos. Hey, stick around for another tutorial.